All right, we can talk all day long about the Columbus shooting. What should the cop have done? What shouldn't the cop have done? Should a life have been taken? But I think the testimony that carries more weight than anybody else's testimony is the girl whose life was saved by Officer Reardon's actions. Check this out. The testimony of the girl in the pink. That is an important testimony right there, because I wonder how this is going to be changed when the BLM movement gets into her mind. I just want to make sure I got that set up.
She came out at you with a knife earlier?
No, she just, that's what the police did.
That lady.
So he said she came at you with a knife earlier, and she's trying to make it clear to this officer, no, not earlier, like right then. That's why the police did what they did. So let me back it up and we'll play the whole thing.
She came out at you with a knife earlier?
No, she just, that's what the police did.
That lady on the floor?
She came after me.
Just in case, guys, I'm going to play this again, but just in case you're just now joining me, what we're going to watch here, this is the second body camera angle from Officer Sergey Okpolo, who is the partner of Eric Channel. This video is taken approximately 2 minutes after the shooting of Micaiah Bryant. And the girl who's being, street interviewed by Officer Okpolo is the girl who's wearing the pink jumpsuit that almost got stabbed, that Officer Reardon just saved from the malicious action of Micaiah Bryant. So here's the testimony of the girl in the pink jumpsuit as to what happened.
She came out at you with a knife earlier?
No, she just, that's what the police did.
That lady on the floor?
She came after me.
With a knife?
Yeah, so he got her. Can you please get my phone and stuff, please?
Have a seat for me. Have a seat for me. Yes, we'll get it. We'll get everything.
Please, sir.
Okay, one more time before the door closed, before she goes in the cop car, here's her testimony. This is the testimony of the girl that was assaulted by Micaiah Bryant.
She came out at you with a knife earlier?
No, she just, that's what the police did.
That lady on the floor?
She came after me.
That's why the police did it, because she came after me. Did what? That's why the police just shot her, because she came after me. In other words, the cop was saving me. The cop actually did save me. I almost got stabbed. Listen to this. Here's her secondary. Here's part two.
With a knife?
Yeah, so he got her. Can you please get my phone and
Came after with the knife, so he got her. You can't be more clear than that. That right there is called Officer Reardon vindicated by would-be victim of Micaiah Bryant. Case closed. What further investigation do you need? That's the testimony of the witness who was right there about to get stabbed by Micaiah Bryant. I don't know what else you need on that. I don't know if the girl in the jumpsuit, I don't know if this girl came at Micaiah earlier, but it didn't look to me. I mean, the girl who was getting attacked by Micaiah had this dog in her hand, dropped the dog as she was getting attacked. So there was no knife in view. It's not like Micaiah was defending herself right then. If it's true, I don't know if it is or not, but if it's true, people are suggesting that this girl could have come at Micaiah with a knife earlier. If that's true, Micaiah wasn't in that moment defending herself. It's like, 5 minutes ago you came at me with a knife, now I'm going to come at you with a knife. Well, that kind of doesn't that still wouldn't look good for Micaiah. Yeah, I see it as 100% justified. I don't know how you could look at it any different. If you want to take a look at an in-depth analysis of what exactly took place in this Columbus, Ohio incident from 3 body camera angles and 2 911 calls, the link will be in the description and in the pinned comment to that video on my High Impact Flicks channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, this is my backup to the backup to the backup channel called Grease Monkey Videos. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification icon if you want to be alerted when I upload new videos. Also, take a look at my highimpactflix.com website and sign up to my free newsletter, and subscribe to me over on BitChute and especially on Odyssey, where you're going to get uncensored content. I'll see you guys in the next video.